Aussies around the country are getting ready to roll up their sleeves for Clean Up Australia Day.
We're so excited by a really fantastic turnout across the country. So many registered sites, around 10,000 across the country. So we're hoping for our biggest Clean Up Australia Day yet.
Community organisations and companies across the nation hosting events in their local areas to encourage the community to put rubbish in the bin.
This weekend we're going to be doing Clean Up Australia Day at the Anzac Park here in Maryborough. We're going to be getting the whole community together with, just picking up rubbish and doing our bit for the community.
Volunteers cleaning up a range of rubbish found at local environments.
Over the last couple of decades, there's been more and more plastic being found. So, in fact, last year was 81% of all surveyed litter was plastic. So it's predominantly plastic, predominantly packaging, and most of it is found in waterways.
Organisers hoping eco-friendly community members of all ages will take an interest in rubbish reduction efforts every day.
I think it really does send a powerful message to the younger generation, because if they see us doing, they're more than likely going to be susceptible to be doing the same thing, and that's going to flow on to the next generations to come.
What we try and encourage at Clean Up Australia is that you can get involved. It can be any day of the year that you can clean up.
In essence, it shouldn't just stop at Clean Up Australia Day. It should be an everyday sort of mission.
Luke Secret, Win News.